So you have those silly pockets of fat that you just can't get rid of, right? Are you tired of exercise, dieting, the hot treatments, the cold treatments, and nothing worked? Well, maybe a little fun sculpting is what might work for you. I want you to meet Dr. Biga Gregory from Vital Connection MD, and she's here to explain how she does what she calls fun sculpting, and we're going to find out if you might be a good candidate. It's good to see you again, Dr. Gregory.
Nice seeing you again.
Okay, so fun sculpting. Is it fun?
It is.
In the end it is, right?
It's done awake.
Okay.
And it's a type of liposuction.
Okay.
It's minimal downtime, minimal bruising, minimal skin sagging, and it's the only type of liposuction that will not rip, cut, tear, heat, or freeze your tissue.
A lot of people think liposuction, they're thinking knives and surgery and things
Right.
like that, but that's really not the case. We have some of the tools that you use,
Yes.
and you brought those along with you to really show us how minimally invasive this treatment can be. And I'm just going to show this little, you brought this little tool right here, and I want to point out to the opening right there. It's very, very tiny. What is this tool for? What is
This is
do?
a 3mm punch biopsy. This is how I enter the skin. This is the sharpest tool I have.
So that's as big as that opening in your skin is going to
Correct,
get?
which is why we can do this awake, because there's such minimal trauma to the tissue underneath.
Wow. Okay, so is this one of the reasons that makes it different, fun sculpting, than other types of liposuction procedures?
Actually, it's the cannula that makes it different, and
This
the way
is
the cannula moves
here.
inside.
Okay,
Yes.
and probably the way you move the cannula inside,
Absolutely.
right? You have a special way of doing that. See how I'm going to show you with my finger now, how tiny that is.
No sharp edges. It oscillates and vibrates, and vibration actually fools the nerves into thinking there's no pain there, because the nerve must feel either pain or vibration. Hence, the vibration is actually helping with sensation as well.
Oh, okay. I want to take a look at some before and afters, because that always speaks volumes as to like what you're thinking. Now, some of the markings that we're seeing on the lap, that comes from you, and those are the areas that you want to treat. Were you able to do all of that in one session, I'll call it?
One session. I devote my entire morning to the patient. I contour them while they're awake. They stand up in front of the mirror and tell me which areas I need to focus on even more.
Okay.
They are very empowered during this procedure.
Oh, because they're telling you what they want,
Absolutely.
right? And you're, at this point, there's quite a bit that you can do in one treatment. I mean, we're looking at here like the upper flank area and everything.
I can do chin, I can do bra roll, I can do banana roll underneath the bottom.
Wow.
I can do the abdomen, the flanks, and I can also do fat transfers.
Wow. Let's talk about fat transfers, because that is a bit of a different procedure. In this particular before and after, you were able to do breasts. So this is an option instead of an implant?
Absolutely. Natural fat transfers are special with fun sculpting because there's 80% fat retention, unlike classic liposuction fat transfers, which are 20% retention.
And how long is the recovery?
The recovery is very quick, unlike classic lipo over a couple of weeks. It's about 48 hours. I've done it on a Friday. They were back to work on a Monday.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. And those results last forever?
They last forever. The fat will not go back there ever again.
You own them.
You own it.
Okay, so we saw a lot of different before and afters, but who's the ideal candidate for you?
You know what's great? Everybody.
Oh.
I can do big and small. I can do those patients who are athletic, who are getting those stubborn areas that are fat and diet resistant. I can also do much larger patients where we can do a gradual transformation. I can protect people from tummy tucks. There's so much I can do with lack of skin sagging, because the machine is so non-traumatic under the skin.
Ah, so you get the results of not only losing the fat, but protecting the skin integrity.
I'm on a campaign to protect some women from their tummy tucks.
Ooh.
We can do this with lipo, not a tummy tuck. No more big scar.
She is on a campaign. I love it. All right, let me tell you about a special offer Dr. Gregory brought for our Sonoran Living viewers. She's going to offer this. Get 3 areas done. You'll receive, as a thank you, 120 units of Dysport free, okay? That's a $450 value. Or you can choose to get 4 areas done or 3 areas in a fat transfer, and you'll still receive 120 units of Dysport and 1 syringe of Restylane free. That is a $550 value. Boy, you're going to get it all done there. All right, Vital Connection MD, here's where she's located, 8550 East Shea Boulevard. That's Suite 120. Here's the phone number to call, 480-223-9323, and you can always learn more at vitalconnectionmd.fit.